We just finished running the auto level. Oh, it just let us out. It was frozen there for a good solid minute. So we're gonna go back. Auto level has run. Now we're gonna go to tools. We are going to go to more and level. And as the instructions say, we will hit probe. And of course we homed before we started that. And here's our question. Yes, start probing please. You can see that the probe is installed correctly. And we're going to hit OK. And unfortunately, this is what happens. And it continues this behavior and never actually senses the bed. So that was with the auto level G code on the factory. And there's of course no way to stop it now. We're stuck until it goes all the way to the back. So that's one error. I'll make a couple more clips. Where we're sitting here. As soon as I start recording, it works. Okay, let's go back. I'm not sure why it says resume there. We've finished what we have to do. See, this is one of the problems. Almost every menu, and it's not just an impatient wait, like a few seconds. This is that was pretty quick. That's not what we usually get. So let's go home some stuff in here. I'm still getting familiar with all this. Is axis, home, and we get nothing. Home. So we'll wait this one out. That's 44 seconds in, so we'll keep counting. I'll try again. Home. Let me zoom back out. Home. Can I reverse? No, I can't exit either. So you can see part of the problem here. I don't know what it is. Is it the controller, this display? It looks pretty good to me. Is it the mainboard? What's going on with this? I have a $200 Ender 3 and it doesn't make me wait like this. Oh, there we go. We're going to try using this one. We're going to home all. This one usually doesn't have an issue. Oh, maybe today it does. There we go. We've got some action. That will go on likely without an issue. So, compilation of this thing just freezing up. Just waiting for it to do something. We've already homed. It homed nicely. Did that job like it's supposed to. We just want to go back to the menu. And it will not let us. Okay, you can look at Puppy for a minute. Even Puppy's waiting for the menu to go. It says, let's get this thing going. I think there's an issue, sirs and ma'ams. There we go. Woohoo. Okay, so let's go back. And we're going to change the card, try to print some. Format a fresh card. Make a fresh file. Record. Okay, so we've formatted a good card. Picked a pretty simple STL and converted it for this using Cura. 0.2 mil layers, and now I'm at the point where it's doing its usual push the button and nothing happens trick. Push the button and nothing happens. Maybe if I refresh it, huh? Now maybe select it. It's already selected. Hit print. And you get nothing. Can I exit and see if maybe things are warming up? Nope. Can't do that either. Oh well. We'll be back. So this is after changing the whole extruder or hot end assembly, and we get the same shit. TO sensor, TO sensor abnormal. So we changed the whole hot end. Just got finished doing it, and instead of going down, it stepped up a little bit. So here's another part here. Okay then. We said okay then. Go back. Yeah, TO sensor abnormal. Understood. So yeah, after changing hot end, we still get this error. That's with the spare hot end that came with the kit. I think there's some other issue other than the thermistor and the hot end. This is printing directly from a PC from Cura as well. We're completely not even using an SD card, and we still can't get out of this part of the menu. I mean, it just won't let us out. There we go. Now finally we can. Yes, we know it's not abnormal. Okay. Let's see if I go here and hit 0 and enter. 0 and enter. Does that do anything? Does that make it shut up? Does it still think it's at fucking 200? Alright, so anyway, there you go. There's an issue.